seems to be the problem, officer.
No problem. I just want to tell you that you are the 100th person I've seen wearing a seatbelt today, which means you have won $5,000 in the statewide safety competition.
That's great. What a surprise.
So, buddy, what are you going to do with your winnings?
First, I'll get my driver's license, and then I'll pay off all those warrants.
I don't believe her. She always talks big when she's drunk.
Whoa, a cop! Darn it! I knew we would get find a stolen car!
Hey, amigos, have we crossed the border yet?